What is astral projection? Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the confines of our physical bodies? What if we told you that there is a way to transcend the boundaries of the material world and explore the vastness of the astral realm? Welcome to an extraordinary journey of astral projection, a mysterious phenomenon that allows us to venture into the unknown and experience the realms beyond. The concept of astral projection. Astral projection, also known as out-of-body experiences, is a fascinating ability where one's consciousness detaches from the physical body and travels through the astral plane. It is believed that during astral projection, the soul or astral body navigates through different dimensions and gains access to heightened knowledge and insights. The astral journey. The process of astral projection involves deep meditation, where the practitioner enters a state of heightened awareness. As the physical body relaxes, the astral body begins its journey, liberated from the constraints of time and space. Techniques. There are various techniques to induce astral projection, including the rope technique, the Monroe method, and the body of light technique. These methods enable individuals to consciously separate their astral form from their physical body. Real experiences. Few people explored distant lands, met with spiritual entities, and gained profound insights about their existence. I remember floating out of my body and soaring above the city. It was surreal, and I could see everything with such clarity. I even met a wise spiritual guide who imparted valuable life lessons. During my astral projection, I encountered a realm filled with vibrant colors and pure energy. I felt an overwhelming sense of interconnectedness with everything around me. Astral projection raises ethical questions, as it involves exploring realms beyond our material world. Practitioners must approach this practice with respect, responsibility, and a genuine desire to seek wisdom and enlightenment. Astral projection is not merely about wanderlust. It is a spiritual journey that can lead to self-discovery, healing, and profound inner growth. Through astral projection, we can connect with our higher selves and unlock hidden potentials within. It's time to open the doors of perception and uncover the mysteries that await beyond the physical realm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to explore thought-provoking mysteries of the universe.